we start, I just want to say that this is a pre-made video, which is why it seems like the old style from before. But anyways, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some thumbnails. And before we start off, I just want to have a huge announcement saying that I will not post frequently anymore. Like, I know how I used to post every Friday. That will probably change right now because school has started and school is a grand priority. So I'm going to start uploading onto YouTube whenever I feel like it or whenever I have a video ready to upload, and I'm sorry about that. But like I said, school is very important to me, and I'm sorry for not being creative with like the whole intro of me talking. I know you're just staring into a brick wall, but like I said, I haven't been able to have the time to edit. So enough with the talking, this video is long enough. Let's just get straight into the video. So first and foremost, go onto your Creator Studio and make sure that your channel is verified by clicking on the option of your channel. So as you can see here, my channel is verified, which enables more things for me to do here on YouTube. Once you do this, make sure that where it says custom thumbnails, it says enabled. I wish I had known to do this beforehand when I first started my YouTube channel because I didn't know how to have my own custom thumbnails. So I just want to let you guys know that in order to have custom thumbnails, you must have your channel verified, and this is very important to know. Now you're going to go onto your app store and you're going to search up Fonto. Fonto is basically an editing app that is meant for pictures. I use this mainly for thumbnails, but you can also edit pictures here just for fun. And I'm not sure if this is available on all certain phone devices. I do know that Apple carries this app. And before we start off, I just want to say that I am not sponsored by Fonto, but it is just easy to learn and use. So here is the app, and go ahead and install it. Since I already have this app installed, I am just going to open this app. Once this app is opened, you should be left with a blank canvas. Click on the camera icon, and I'm going to click plain image. There are many templates here. I want to say that Fonto is free to install and use. However, there are some special packs that you do have to pay for, and those are the locked items that you see here. But everything else that doesn't have a lock is free. Here are some of the templates I have created and have saved on my phone, which is pretty useful to use. So there are so many colors to choose from. Templates can be found gradient and plain colors, and some are even multicolored, which is a very cool feature on this app. So you can basically mess around with all of the colors that are provided here and pick your favorite ombre colors so that you can have this shown on your thumbnail. Once you're done, you are going to click apply here at the top. And now you should be taken to this next page that you will see after I've clicked apply. So now you're going to click on the numbers at the top, and we're going to click custom, and we're going to change this to 1280 as width and 720 as height. And I guarantee you that this is the correct YouTube thumbnail measurements, and this is very key to remember. Now click the little square at the top and hit use. Now I'm going over onto Safari or Google, and I'm just going to search up watercolor backgrounds, and you can choose a background that you like for the background of your thumbnails. So basically search up whatever you like. I have found this pink watercolored image, and I'm just going to save that. Go back onto Fonto, click on 3 lines and hit add image. Go onto my moments, click that picture that we have saved, clicked done. And now you're just going to play with the measurements by clicking on it and adjust the width and height until it has covered all of the template area. This step is totally not necessary if you like the colors that you've chosen before, so you can leave it as is, or you can add a picture like I did here. I'm sorry that I'm talking so fast. I didn't realize that I was filming this very quickly. Now click on whatever space and add text will pop up, and here I'm just going to write how to make in the text area, and I was going to write thumbnails but deleted it. And here at the bottom you should see font, and there are so many fonts here. These are all of my saved fonts. I'm spilling the tea right now, and these are all the fonts that I've saved, but there are some fonts that have already been provided for you, and they are equally as good as the saved fonts that I have. So once you found a font that you like, you're going to click done, and now you can adjust it anywhere. You can click on style, and I'm going onto stroke, and you can change the stroke of this picture. I'm clicking black and adjusting the alpha. You can also put backgrounds on the letters, which is also super cool.
This is basically just playing around with this app. I'm going onto style, and here you can add shadow to your filters, to your letters, and at the bottom you should see A's. These just give your letters different strokes. And yeah, like I said earlier, this is mostly just playing around with it. Now I'm going to move the height, width, and size. So I'm just clicking size and making it bigger. Now I'm going to move it so that it's more centered. And there are so many features that you can do onto your letterings of the video. Now I'm going to click size. Now I'm going onto curve, and I'm going to curve the letters of this font. So all you have to do is swipe once you have clicked the text. You can also tilt on this app, which is very cool. So you could tilt the words that you have typed. I'm going onto Safari again, and I'm searching up dafonts.com like you see here. So I have it already saved on one of my tabs. So I'm just going to click that. Now it has taken me to the dafont.com website. So here are many free fonts that you are able to download. So you can just click on the little tabs they have at the top. I like looking at the calligraphy ones, and they have so many pretty calligraphy fonts that you can download. Also like using brush fonts, so I'm going to click on that and look for a font that I really like. So I found this font called Joshin, so I'm just going to click on it, and you can see all the letters, how it looks with that font. And I'm just going to go on the right over here and click download. Once you have done that, it should take you to this page, and I just clicked open in Fonto and installed it onto the app Fonto. Now you can add some text, and all I'm writing here is thumbnails with a font. So you just go on font and click on the one that you have just installed. And like I said earlier, all I'm writing is thumbnails. And again, I'm going to mess around with this, change the style, stroke, shading of these letters until I have it how I like it. So I'm just going in. You can even change the spacing of the letters, which is also cool. So you can make them wide or more squished together. So again, like I said before, this is all just messing around and playing with the app. If you have any questions, just make sure to leave them in the comments below. I know that I am going really quickly in this video, and I apologize for that. Now I'm going back to Safari, and I'm going to search up Fonto app PNG. So if there's any pictures that you want onto your thumbnail, search them up, tap them, and click save image, and they should save onto your camera roll. I am also going to be searching up mouse pointer PNG, and I'm just going to do the same process by clicking on the image and saving them onto my camera roll. Now we are going to go back to Fonto, hit the 3 lines, click on add image. It should take you to your camera roll, and you can now add the image onto the actual thumbnail, and you can adjust the size of this. You can change the tilt of whatever image you want. You can move it until you have it to your desire. I'm just moving this mouse clicker over so that as if it is clicking the Fonto app. And you can also add emojis with the same text little spot, and I'm just going to look at the emojis and choose one that I would like to see on my thumbnail. So I found this little cloud with a sun over it, and I just thought that this would look cute, so I adjusted the size and tilted it so that it is in line with the actual Fonto app little image that I put. And all you have to do is keep messing around with this app until you have your desired thumbnail. This might take a lot of work at some point, but afterwards it becomes super easy and you get the hang of it really quickly. So now you're basically done with your thumbnail. Now you're going to hit this little icon on the bottom that you will see. It's basically the square and the arrow. Once you click that, you should be taken to this page. Hit save image so that it is saved to your camera roll, and now you have a successful saved thumbnail. Make sure to check that it is in your camera roll and make sure that it is saved. And now all you have to do when uploading a video is click create custom thumbnail and download this onto your computer, and now you have your very own custom thumbnail that you made using the app Fonto. So that is it for this video. It was super long. I doubt people are still here, but if you are, thank you so much, and make sure to comment down below that you watched this video entirely, and I'll most likely reply to you. Here are today's subscriber shoutouts. If you want a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe and then comment down below #subs to be featured in one of my videos. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, turn post notifications on to be notified whenever I upload, and comment any video suggestions. Bye!